Greatest common factor using prime factorization, guys. Hey, my name is Jason Jacobs. This is Math with Jason Jacobs, and we're gonna use prime factorization to find the greatest common factor. I'm gonna throw a little bonus for you guys, just for you. We're gonna do the least common multiple as well, because it's just so easy once you do like the prime factorization of it. And this method will change your life. Rather than like listing out all the factors, you can just do the prime factorization and not miss any factors. This prime factorization method works really well with larger numbers. So we're gonna find the greatest common factor of 30 and 18. So 30 factors out into, 30 is composite, and we gotta get it all down to prime factors. So maybe 3 and 10. 3 is prime, so I'll circle it. 10 is still composite, and we can still factor 10 down. So 10 factors down into 2 and 5. So the prime factorization of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Now let's find the prime factorization of 18, guys. 18 factors out into maybe 3 and 6, right? And then 6 factors out into 2 times 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. Then we have our Venn diagram, and we find out what they both have in common, which factors are in common. So they both have a 2, so I'll circle that so I know who used it. I'll put the 2 in the middle. They both have a 3, look at that, all right. Both have a 3, and then 5 and, no, so the 5 is not in common, and this 3 is not in common. Now to find the greatest common factor, all you have to do is take the product of the common primes. So 2 times 3, the product of the common primes. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, the greatest common factor is 6. Now let's say you wanted to find the least common multiple as well. Well, to find the least common multiple, this is a little bonus. All you have to do is go 5 times 2 times 3 times 3. And then you got the least common multiple. You don't have to like list them all and worry about that. That's very time consuming. This is rather easy, really. 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30, times 3 is 90. So the least common multiple of 30 and 18 is 90, and the greatest common factor of 30 and 18 is 6. Hey, my name is Jason Jacobs, and this was finding the prime factorization, or finding the greatest common factor using prime factorization. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.